Despite everything that's happened in the last year, one thing is certain: we will all travel again. But how long it takes until we do will greatly depend upon our ability to restore traveler confidence. And right now, despite the growing number of people vaccinated, we still face a very significant uphill battle. Why is that? As vaccines become widely available and domestic travel restrictions loosen, we're starting to see an uptick in travel after a devastating year, but there's still a long way to go. The latest Travel Again monthly traveler confidence index in March revealed only 25% of business travelers and 17% of leisure travelers are fully ready to travel. And when you look at the charts and look beneath the numbers, it tells a story that's different from the averages. Because even though an average may tell you that people are concerned but would travel, the details will tell you something different. The industry is making strides towards coming together and driving consensus around uniform policies to safely resume travel. Travel Again recently held a global roundtable meeting, bringing together a coalition of 19 major trade associations from the global travel industry, with their eyes set on a greater purpose. Senior leaders from these industry groups focused their efforts on accelerating recovery of the travel industry. The objective is to further align behind common messaging and industry standards that are developed in collaboration with medical experts and policymakers from around the world.